Busy sole providers often find themselves stretched thin, juggling multiple responsibilities with little time to spare. The idea of building additional income online can seem overwhelming without a clear path forward. Rather than pushing for more hustle, the real solution lies in adopting a structured and straightforward approach. By focusing on organization and simplicity, sustainable progress becomes achievable, even with a demanding schedule. This mindset shift is essential for creating lasting results without adding unnecessary stress. Many busy professionals struggle to make their side hustle succeed, often because they become overwhelmed by complex strategies and an excess of information. Juggling demanding careers with intricate side projects can quickly lead to burnout and frustration. The key issue is that most side projects lack a straightforward, manageable approach that fits into an already packed schedule. By adopting a clear, repeatable, and flexible system, professionals can better integrate their side hustle into daily life. Such a system not only reduces stress, but also increases the chances of long-term success. Register on the website in the description to explore the exact interactive system I follow. There was a time when I believed that complexity was the key to success, but experience taught me otherwise. Embracing simplicity allowed me to focus on what truly mattered, eliminating unnecessary distractions. By following a proven, step-by-step system, I discovered how automation and guided workflows could streamline my efforts and boost my results. This transformation not only made my work more efficient, but also gave me the confidence to tackle new challenges with clarity and purpose. If you're looking for a simple, structured approach to building additional income online, you can explore the pre-built system I follow in the description. A practical 2-hour daily workflow begins with dedicating time to learning, such as reading articles or watching tutorials relevant to your goals. Next, you apply this new knowledge through hands-on practice or small projects, reinforcing what you've just learned. By integrating automation tools, you can streamline repetitive tasks, freeing up more time for creative or strategic work. Finally, a brief review of your progress helps you identify areas for improvement and celebrate small wins. This consistent, manageable routine shows how incremental efforts can add up to significant progress, all without disrupting your daily schedule. A simple, structured system is designed to fit seamlessly into everyday life, especially for those who shoulder the responsibility of being the sole provider. By organizing finances in a clear and manageable way, it creates much-needed breathing room and reduces the stress of unexpected expenses. This approach offers flexibility, allowing for adjustments as circumstances change without adding unnecessary pressure. Ultimately, it provides peace of mind, ensuring a steady and reliable income stream that supports both immediate needs and future goals. Many people experience doubts and uncertainties when starting something new, especially when it comes to personal growth or learning. Common fears include not knowing where to begin, worrying about making mistakes, or feeling overwhelmed by the process. A proven digital program with daily support can help address these concerns by offering clear guidance and structured steps. With ongoing encouragement and practical tools, you can gain clarity, develop valuable skills, and see steady improvement over time. This consistent support helps transform hesitation into confidence and progress. Remember, meaningful change often begins with small, consistent steps. By trusting a reliable system and focusing on steady progress, you lay the foundation for lasting peace of mind and financial security. It's not about achieving perfection, but about moving forward with intention and persistence. Over time, these efforts add up, creating real and lasting results. If you're looking for a simple, structured approach to building additional income online, you can explore the pre-built system I follow by registering on the link in the description.